Hey y'all, thank you again for joining me and welcome back. I'm here to be able to do another video tutorial or actually just ride along with me as I style and, work out my pixie. So I guess it's just another hang with me, roll along with me while I style my pixie. So it is freshly washed, it is dry. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and style it, hook it up. So yeah, thank you for joining me. Um, so I guess I will be working out and excuse my nails because yes, I know I am missing four nails. So after I finish getting this right and tight, the nails are next, and it's a good thing because I do my own thing. So thank you again for joining me. So let's work it out. And I gotta give me another tail comb because this one broke just last night. And then I'll be using my precision comb. And then I will also be using my regular handy dandy comb. So that's what we'll be doing. So I did wrap my hair last night after I washed it last night. I didn't use any other heat other than what I'm going to use right now. So I used some of this foaming stuff, and I actually mixed my wrapping setting lotion together inside my foaming, so it helps. So I will be using these two. Actually, this is what I already used. I do have my two flat irons. I have a half inch, and then I got my pencil one. And my pencil one is actually a 3/10 of an inch. And that's what it is called. And it's actually by Red. This is a red pencil. This is by Red. I don't know how clear you can see it, but it is a 3/10. And this one is actually by Kiss. Okay, so here we go. Not exactly how I'm gonna roll with it, but I'm just rolling. And I do have my three-way mirror. This is my other handy dandy item. It is a three-way mirror, so because this part, I was explaining how well that pencil flat iron works wonders when you have very short hair. Ta-da! So this is what we got. Let me know what you think. You have any ideas, any comments you would like to share? Please feel free. Again, I thank you for joining me on my maintenance, my Pixie maintenance and styling. So again, thank you very much. Thank you for joining me. Again, until my next video, I'll see you soon. Blessings to you all. So long.